Society often stigmatizes vulnerability, associating it with weakness or inadequacy. As a result, we may internalize these negative perceptions, leading to diminished self-esteem and a constant feeling of never being good enough. Opening up ourselves means exposing our deepest fears and insecurities, leaving us vulnerable to judgment, criticism, and rejection. It's crucial to practice self-compassion, surrounding ourselves with positive influences and challenge societal expectations. It's important to recognize that vulnerability, when embraced with wisdom and discernment, can also lead to personal growth, deep connections, and resilience. It's about finding a balance between protecting ourselves and allowing ourselves to be seen and understood. A vulnerable mind may face internal struggles such as heightened anxiety and self-doubt. Please seek help and practice self-care to manage these internal challenges.